In question number 7, it says, each given function is a transformational function form of g of x equals a. So the a value we just learned, it's a vertical stretch. If that value is greater than 1, or it's a vertical compression if that value is between 0 and 1. That a value also tells you, let me see if I can zoom in for you, if it's going to be reflected over the x-axis, right? So reflect over x-axis if the value is less than 0, negative. And we kind of already know that based off of our, show you where it is on our foldable. So reflecting it over the x-axis, if there's a negative in front, your parent function to your new function, reflected over the x-axis, and the compression values, a is greater than 1, it's a stretch. It's being stretched up vertically. And if it's a value between 0 and 1, it's a compression, it's getting flattened. Okay? Your growth is slower. Okay? Now, B value is going to be the next section in our book. The C value, this is the one that's on the inside. Everyone say inside? That's here in the purple. These are just going to move your directions left and right, and then you have that phrase, add to x, go west. So let's say that goes left and right. Let's write my phrase, add to x, go west. So here I'm kind of reviewing for your quiz all sections up to 4.3, 4.1 to 4.3. And then the D value, just think of it, that's on the outside. Everyone say outside? Well, that's the red one, right? That basically just moves your graph up or down, so that's my silly phrase. So let's write that. Up, down, and to y, go high. So here's my little map that we've kind of created. Let's look at example number 7. Oh, something else I want to add is previously we said that you can create a rule. So if I give you the original order pair, you can transform the order pair by doing x plus c, ay plus d. Let's explain question number 7. Number 7 says, if I look at my value here, -3, let's color code this. A value is all of this stuff up here. So my A value here is -3, and -3 means that it's going to be reflected over the x-axis. And then it's going to be shifted down 1 unit. There's not going to go left or right because anything inside the parentheses, there's no C value here. So your new rule would be your A value goes in front, just like this one. So we have -3 times y, and then the shifted down, my D value there, is a -1 in our rule. That's all that in orange. Okay, let's try this one. My A value is 1/4. So in my rule, I'm going to write, instead of xy, what are we going to write? We're going to write x, comma, 1/4 y, and then our D value. What's our D value? 8. Okay, what happened there? Let's just write in the words. Is this going to be a vertical stretch or compression? Why is it a vertical compression? Because it's less than 1, or so you could say a vertical compression by a factor of 1/4, and then the D value tells us a vertical translation. That's a fancy word that basically says move up how many? 8 units. Okay? So basically just creating a rule, and then it's just explaining in words what's happening.